I will start the physical and chemical properties of phenols. First of all, we will discuss the physical properties of phenol. Phenols are colorless crystalline solid or liquid. They have characteristic phenolic order. Phenols are springly soluble in water. Springly soluble means less soluble in water and soluble in alcohol, ether, etc. Why phenols are less soluble in water or springly soluble in water? Because a large hydrocarbon part or aryl group. Due to the large hydrocarbon part, or this is called aryl part, aryl group, it is hydrophobic in nature. And next is the boiling point of phenols. The boiling point of phenols are higher than the boiling point of aromatic hydrocarbon. Aromatic hydrocarbon means benzene, and haloarenes means chlorobenzene, bromobenzene of comparable molecular masses. Phenols show hydrogen bonding but less. So it is a hydrogen bonding. Higher boiling point is due to the presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, but due to the presence of aryl part, it shows steric hindrance. मीन्स अल्काइल ग्रुप जो होता है साइज में बड़ा होता है, जो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बनाने की टेंडेंसी को कम कर देता है, मीन्स हाइड्रोफोबिक नेचर का हो जाता है ना. तो केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ फिनॉल्स. फिनॉल्स आर एसिडिक इन नेचर, और यू कैन से व्हाई फिनॉल्स आर एसिडिक इन नेचर ड्यू टू पोलर नेचर ऑफ OH बॉन्ड. मीन्स ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा, इट मीन्स H आयन रिलीज होंगे. तो फिनॉल शो एसिडिक प्रॉपर्टी. दिस इज अ फिनॉल, it gives phenoxide ion. Okay, so now I will discuss the acidic character of phenol. Phenol reacts with alkali metals like sodium. It gives sodium phenoxide, or it reacts with NaOH. It also gives sodium phenoxide. And sodium phenol are acidic in nature. लैब में आपने देखा होगा, it turn blue litmus to red. This is the acidic character of carboxylic acid or phenol they show. And next is the phenols are more acidic than alcohol. This is an important question, why phenols are more acidic than alcohol? Because phenoxide ion is more resonance stabilized than alkoxide ion. Phenoxide ion is more resonance stabilized than alkoxide ion. Oxide ion. This is alcohol, it gives alkoxide ion. Phenol gives phenoxide ion plus H ion. This is the resonating structure of phenoxide ion. It shows this resonating structure. It means phenoxide ion is more resonance stabilized. That's why phenols are more acidic than alcohol. Effect of substituent of the acidic character of phenol. I have already explained you what is the effect of electron group withdrawing group or electron donating group. Electron withdrawing substituent increase the acidic strength. Electron withdrawing group withdraw electrons and disperse the negative charge and therefore stabilize the phenoxide ion. NO2 group, CN group, X means halogen. These groups are electron withdrawing group. And electron donating group like NH2 group, alkoxy group, alkyl group, these groups, electron donating group, these group decrease the acidic strength. Electron donating group donate electrons. Suppose NO2 group is attached, NH2 group is attached, or alkoxy group is attached. So electron donating group donate the electron and intensify the negative charge and therefore destabilize the phenoxide ion with reference to phenol. इट मीन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप जो होते हैं वो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी को, इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग जितने भी ग्रुप होंगे वो एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ को डिक्रीज करते हैं, बिकॉज नेगेटिव चार्ज की इंटेंसिटी जो है इंक्रीज होती चली जाती है. ठीक है, जिससे कि फिनॉक्साइड आयन वाली जो रिंग हो जाती है, ये जिससे फिनॉक्साइड आयन ये डीस्टेबलाइज होते हैं. और इन केस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप, इलेक्ट्रॉन अगर विड्रॉ हो रहे हैं, इट मीन्स नेगेटिव चार्ज होता है वो डिस्पर्स हो जाता है और जो इसको फिनॉक्साइड आयन को स्टेबलाइज कर देता है. Next is the reaction of zinc acid. Reaction with zinc acid. So phenols reacts with zinc, gives benzene. This is a very important reaction. And next reaction, reaction with ammonia. Phenols reacts with ammonia, gives aniline. Reaction with acid chloride and acidic anhydride means acetylation reaction. Phenols react with acid chloride, yani acetyl chloride. This group is acetyl group. Or you take acetic anhydride. In the presence of pyridine, it gives phenyl ethernate, means ester is formed. Ester is formed. This reaction is reversible reaction. तो pyridine act as catalyst. Pyridine is base, it react with HCl. अगर ये नहीं लोगे catalyst तो HCl वापस reversible reaction हो जाएगी, reaction करके वापस ये product बनाने लगेगा. And instead of acetyl chloride you take acetic anhydride. The same function, H remove from here and CH3COOH. This is the OCOCH3 यानी phenyl acetate. Phenyl acetate is ester. Next reaction of benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride means benzoyl chloride. This is called benzylation. It is also called Schotten-Baumann reaction. In this reaction, phenol reacts with benzoyl chloride in the presence of alkali NaOH. It gives phenyl benzoate plus HCl. Now reaction of benzene ring. So all of you know the benzene is ortho and para directing. They show electrophilic substitution reactions. This is the phenol. This is the resonating structure of phenol. Ortho and para position have high electron density due to OH group. Okay. Next is the electrophilic substitution reaction, bromination. First bromination, phenol reacts with bromine, यानी aqueous bromine. So it gives 2,4,6 tribromophenol. When phenol react with bromine in the presence of CH2, CH2 is carbon disulfide, then ortho and para product will be formed. Means 2 bromophenol, or you can say ortho bromophenol, और 4 ब्रोमोफिनॉल, और यू कैन से पैरा ब्रोमोफिनॉल. तो दोनों रिएक्शन आपको ध्यान में करनी है. सपोज एग्जाम में Br2 और एक्वस लिखा हुआ है आपका, तो इट गिव्स 2,4,6. इफ Br2 is CH2 तो ऑर्थो और पैरा. नाइट्रेशन ऑफ फिनॉल. Nitration of phenol means phenols reacts with HNO3, gives orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. Orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol both are orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. So both are separated by steam distillation. In orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol, orthonitrophenol is steam volatile. Suppose question आपका आता है which is steam volatile and why? तो orthonitrophenol is steam volatile due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding. It show intramolecular hydrogen bonding. And paranitrophenol is less volatile due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bond is weak bond than intermolecular hydrogen bond. So the orthonitrophenol is steam volatile. Next is the if phenol reacts with concentrate HNO3 in the presence of H2SO4, it gives 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is called picric acid. Next electrophilic substitution reaction is sulfonation. Phenols react with concentrate H2SO4. This is a concentrate H2SO4. Gives orthonitrophenol. This is the ortho product. This is a para. Means 2 hydroxy. This is 2 hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. This is 4 hydroxy, counting start from here, 1 2 3 4 hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. Next reaction is the Friedel-Crafts reaction. It is a very important reaction. In Friedel-Crafts reaction में when phenols is heated with alkyl halide in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride, it forms crisols. Crisols means this is a 2-methylphenol. 2-methylphenol is called orthocrisol and 4-methylphenol is called paracrisol. Means on alkylation, यानी Friedel-Crafts reaction में this is the alkylation process. This is the methyl chloride. This is the alkylation process. Alkylation means reaction with alkyl halide. So phenols gives ortho and para crisol. This is the orthocrisol. This is the paracrisol. Next is the Kolbe reaction. In Kolbe reaction, sodium phenoxide is heated with carbon dioxide at 400 Kelvin and 4 to 7 atmospheric pressure. it gives phenyl sodium carbonate. On rearrangement, it gives a 2-hydroxybenzoic acid, means salicylic acid is the main product. First we obtain sodium salicylate. Reaction with dilute HCl, it gives 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. 2-hydroxybenzoic acid is known as salicylic acid. So this is the Kolbe reaction. This reaction is very important reaction. Next is the Reamer-Timmer reaction. In Reamer-Timmer reaction, when phenols reacts with chloroform in the presence of sodium hydroxide at 340 Kelvin, then H from NaCl is removed. NaCl के साथ सपोज NaH लेकर चल रहे हो तो NaCl रिमूव होगा. सपोज 2 NaOH ले लिया आपने तो 1 रिएक्ट इसके साथ कर जाएगा Cl के साथ, तो NaCl रिमूव हो जाएगा. इस पोजीशन पे मीन्स ऑर्थो पोजीशन पे CaCl2 आ जाएगा ONa. Again reacts with 2 NaOH molecule, यानी 2 Na removed here, 2 NaCl molecule is removed. It gives this, means 1 carbon पे 2 OH group attach हो गए. This is an unstable compound. Water molecule is removed from here. Then we obtain CHOONA. This is CHOONA. On reaction with dilute HCl, it gives NaCl is removed. NaCl is removed, minus NaCl, and H come from here. So it gives 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. In क्लोरोफॉर्म की जगह यू कैन टेक CCl4, कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड. सेम ही रिएक्शन होगी तो कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड भी ले सकते हो, CCl4 भी. Reamer-Timmer reaction is also very important reaction. And next is the coupling reaction. Coupling reaction में we take benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride reacts with phenol. You take phenol or you can take aniline. Reacts with phenol in the presence of alkaline medium. Alkaline medium में pH should be 9 to 10. It gives para-hydroxyazobenzene. Para-hydroxyazobenzene is orange dye. Orange dye. If we take aniline, then para-aminoazobenzene is formed. This is a yellow color dye.